armasuisse, I look into the future every day.
My name is Markus
Höpflinger, and I lead the Research and Robotics in the Science and Technology Unit, S&T for short, in Thun.
My name is Joseph Gülgerich. I work as a project manager at armasuisse.
My name is Jasmin Fritz. I work as project administrator.
My name is David.
My name is David Schertz. I work as a quality manager.
We work in a wide range of project teams for armasuisse. Within these teams, we are responsible for the evaluation, procurement and rollout of new equipment, clothing, vehicles and aircraft for the Swiss Armed Forces.
My name is
Christian Roots, and I'm the head of the Construction Management Central Department at armasuisse Real Estate. From planning to realization of renovations and new builds, I'm passionate about construction.
When it gets too loud, I come and take a close listen. I'm Carolyn Adam and work as an environmental management and sustainability consultant within the real estate portfolio of the DDPS.
My team evaluates optical equipment for the Swiss Armed Forces. The main aspects of my work that I enjoy are the complexity and the variation. Our entire project management is based on teamwork. I bear responsibility and really identify myself with my job.
As a project administrator, I bear responsibility and oversee unique major projects carried out within armasuisse.
As a quality manager, I determine whether products meet the quality requirements. I thus help to maintain the security of our country, a contribution of which I'm very proud.
Here at armasuisse Real Estate, we work with an extremely diverse real estate portfolio, containing everything from barracks to airstrips. I wouldn't be able to benefit from working with such a varied portfolio with any other employer in the construction sector.
I studied geography. Sustainability is very important to me. Those who work on construction and renovation projects must think carefully about how future generations will be able to use the structures and objects in question. armasuisse Real Estate also provides the opportunity to constantly educate and develop myself in this area.
I travel a lot. There have been times when I've started my day at the ETH in Zurich, spent the afternoon in meetings at S&T in Thun, and then had an appointment at the armasuisse headquarters in Bern in the evening. My employer has high expectations towards me. Flexible working time models enable me to reconcile work and family life. I like the collaboration with universities, researchers, and students. This networking, which also happens on an international level, is in any case unique. armasuisse provides me with a platform to express my individuality and innovative strength day after day. Here at armasuisse, I often have the impression that the future has already begun.